What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to delete Tripadvisor's account, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. Before we move on, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So how to delete or close, or whatever you want to call it, your Tripadvisor account. So you need to close your member account. So they work hard to provide their members with great service. So please contact us if you have any specific issues with site policies or other members. They will be glad to work with you. There are a few things to keep in mind when you close your account. They will remove your reviews and other content from the site. This process cannot be reversed. Any forum messages you posted will remain on the site attributed to your display name. They do not remove forum posts in bulk, as this would disrupt the flow of conversation. If you wish to remove your forum post before closing your account, you can do following these instructions over here. If you manage a listing, you will lose access to the management center, and if you have a Plus subscription, you will no longer have access to the exclusive Plus membership. So if you still wish to close your account, visit your account settings, click the blue close your icon list in the link over here. So we go to the account settings and just follow the steps of deleting account. So I did not verify my account, so I cannot just basically close it because it basically does not exist still. So overall, quite an easy process. You just go to your settings option and click on the blue option which says close account. So guys, hopefully this video was helpful to you. As I mentioned earlier, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on so you stay alerted whenever we post another awesome tutorial. We are doing daily uploads, 20+ tutorials every single day, so make sure to check them out if you need any help. That's it guys, thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.